Do you look at beautiful AI images online? I wonder how people creating these things. Well, what if I told you that you can start creating them too, even if you know absolutely nothing about AI? Welcome to AI for Beginners with DessieJ. In this series, I'm going to take you from complete beginner to creating stunning AI images step by step. And trust me, we are starting from the very beginning. So if you ever wanted to learn AI image creation, follow this series because you are in the right place. Starter, you want to generate or you want to create AI images, you basically need two apps. And the first one is ChatGPT. Now, you need to download ChatGPT on your phone. If you don't have it, this is ChatGPT. While the second basic app you need is Gemini. This is the logo for Gemini. You just go to your browser and input Gemini. So these are the two apps you need to be downloaded on your phone. Now, let's go. I'm going to open ChatGPT by clicking on the app. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT does a lot of things. It creates images, it writes or edits prompts. You can use it to write prompts. You can use it to write scripts. You can basically use ChatGPT for a lot of things. Now, let me quickly add that ChatGPT has the paid version and the free version. For the paid version, I think you can generate a whole lot of images, stunning images. While for the free version, there's a limited number of images you can create or generate in a day. Okay, this plus sign. Let me show you the plus sign. This plus sign, this is where you're going to import your picture. So once you click on it, so you have your camera photos, wherever your picture is, so you select the right one. So normally the pictures in your photo album is always on in rather photos. So you click on photos. Now it has taken you to your phone gallery. Now let me bring out you click on this arrow. Sorry. The blue arrow. That's where you're going to click on. So this is the prompt. So create an ultra realistic. These are all the prompts. So you just copy it. You copy by using this button here. That's where you're going to copy. So you copy. I've copied that. Now, after copying, we are recreating this very image. You can pick any image of your choice, but this is the image I want to recreate. And another thing, if you have any deduction or addition, probably you want to change the hairstyle, or you want to change the clothing or the skin tone of this particular image, or the particular image you are trying to generate, you can do that. So I'm going to paste in the prompts that I copied. You long press this reply. So once you long press, it's going to bring out the paste option. So you paste. Oh, this is it. The starting absolutely is a detailed whatever. You don't need all of that, so you delete them. You delete, and you are left with create an ultra realistic. And once you want to recreate, you are using your own very picture. Or if you are generating a picture for a particular person, for any person, your mother, your father, or whatever, you use their picture. Or if it is for you, you use your picture. And the image you are going to be using should be your bare face. Your bare face, not a face with makeup. If you use a face with makeup, it's not going to give you your real face. Now I'm trying to look for a picture of me. This is a bare face. So you click on that. Yes. And remember I said, if there is any thing you want to change from the prompts, you are free to change it. Brown skin. I want to change this hairstyle. I don't want this hairstyle. So she's wearing a natural hairstyle and whatever. I'm going to delete that. So she's wearing a hair. So I'm going to be stopping here. She's wearing a long Brazilian hair. She's wearing a long Brazilian hair. Let me stop that. The earrings also necklace, you can change that. She's dressed in a sophisticated bluish pink. Let me go for red. Okay, red colored blouse, blah blah blah. Anything you want to change, just go. So you click on the blue button and wait for your video to generate, creating image. Now the image is going to be generated based on how fast your network is. And another thing I would like to add is that you can also create without importing any image. You can also try your own idea. You can also try writing your own prompts. It's just a short prompts or whatever. Okay, I only spoke on image and generation. Now ChatGPT can also help you generate logos for your business brand. It can help you generate banner. It can generate banners for you. Here we go. So this is it. But is this picture look like me? No, not really, not 100%. Not 100% me. But looking at the eyes and the mouth, it's still on point. So okay, your picture rather has been generated. So you click on this arrow. This arrow here is what we're going to be using to download. And sometimes, or let me say at times, network is always bad. So it will not download. Instead of wasting your time, what I do is to screenshot. Oh, this screenshot is not okay. It's not okay. Yes, this is it. So you screenshot and then you So basically, ChatGPT can do and will do a whole lot of things. So I also said, now let's try creating a logo. This is bonus because what I said I'll be taking is just image generation. But let me give you this as a bonus. For an instance, my business name is DessieJ. Generate a luxury, realistic banner for my business. Okay. I'm a content creator. Business. Okay, let me use entrepreneur. Content creator, an entrepreneur, an entrepreneur. Okay. I'm a cook. Okay, let me just leave it as a cook. Okay. My business. Okay, my shop. My shop is located at Ajangbade Street, Lagos Island. Phone number 081345678. Is this complete? 1234567 1234567 Okay, 91011. Facebook, DessieJ AI Studio. Instagram, at DessieJ AI Studio. TikTok, DessieJ. DessieJ AI Studio. So everything you want on your banner, you input it, then make it spectacular. Can you see? And if you don't have an idea, then you download. So if you don't have an idea of the prompts you want to use, you can also take it with ChatGPT to give you prompts for your business. Just tell it your business name and everything you want on it. So ChatGPT will also generate flex for you. It will generate, in short, just basically anything you want to do. ChatGPT is your go-to. If you have a question, you can reach out to me or also reach out to ChatGPT. It will lead you right. And if you also want to add your picture, probably your AI picture, your AI picture, you can also add it. Like if you want it to be on your banner, so you can add it through the plus sign. You add it. So our banner is ready. This is our banner. I can't wait to see what. Oh my God. Is this not beautiful? So here we have it. Is this not splendid? This is beautiful. Then you move on to save again. And this banner, once you create your banner, you can just take it to your printer to print out for you. You don't need to pay extra money for the editing or whatever. You do your thing yourself. Then you only send a picture to your graphic designer. I said graphic designer, your banner maker, these people that makes banner and flex and whatever. If it is flex also you want to create, you just do the same thing. Just make sure you get your prompt right. Once you're able to get your prompt right, then voila, you are good to go. So I'm going to be stopping the class. If you have any question, just send me a DM or just simply DM me on my WhatsApp. Thank you.